Today we're going to take a look at QR codes and how we can utilize them here within the system. In order to find QR codes, you can go to the search bar and begin typing in QR codes. You can go to the tile or the navigation item. You can also go to Automate and QR codes. Here within the interface, you're going to be able to add a new QR code using the plus sign button. It's just going to ask for a title for this QR code, as well as what link you would like it to send to. You do have the option to choose a property detail page, your home page, or your virtual contact card, or you can choose a specific URL. Here we'll do specific URL and we'll use Google as an example. We're going to save this link and it automatically creates for us a QR code. Once we've been using this QR code for a little while, we can look at the stats to see how often it's getting utilized. We can also then download this QR code so we can utilize it on our websites and on our marketing materials. Here it creates a file and we can see upon opening this file that it creates a QR code for our use. And then using the three dots, you can also edit this QR code if you need to make any changes. You can then take this image and put it anywhere you would like. You could print it if you just need the QR code itself. You could take the image and make it a part of a document. Or you could even stick this QR code inside of an email.